Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. So guys, in today's video I gathered and collected different patterns and designs of embellishment of crochet, which you can just make and just stitch them on any kind of shirt. These embellishments are really flowery and beautiful. As you can see, these flowers you can make by crochet and just stitch them on any shirt or just any crocheted shirt. These embellishments are really cute and different. They all are really in different colors. You can just make on any project or just make them separately and just stitch them over any pattern, any design. They all are really trendy and in different color. Like this shirt, you have so many embellishment on them and they all are crocheted. These little embellishment just enhance the beauty of any simple shirt. They are so flowery. These embellishments look so stylish and trendy. I hope guys you all are enjoying and loving the video. As you can see that these crochet flowers are looking cute on any top. You can see the colors and the different patterns make your outfit beautiful. They are super cute and in different colors. They look so cozy and stylish with bright colors and flowers. Flowers are mostly the main pattern of crochet and they look really beautiful on any outfit or any other project of crochet like table mats or the cushions. Flowers are the one vital thing in crochet art. So guys, I hope you're liking the collection and video, and please let me know what else you want to know and watch about crochet in the future so that I make my videos accordingly. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I post any new video with full of collections and stitches and patterns, you get notification and you just make them by watching. These little embellishments just enhance your simple looking shirt. All patterns in this video are so beautiful and with full of colors and patterns. These beautiful color mixing and matching making all the outfits really cute and beautiful. As you can see, they all are looking really trendy and stylish, which will make your outfit classy. I hope you're liking this collection, and if you want to watch these kind of more ideas and collection about crochet, let me know so that I just make more video accordingly. So guys, if you're liking the collection, please give me a feedback through your comments so that I make more videos. This whole video is full of beautiful collection. You can see these little embellishments can be stitched on your little girl's top or t-shirt, like this little t-shirt. These embellishment with some characters and flowers looking so cute. They all are made by crochet and looks cute on girls, like this blue top with the unicorn. Your girl will be look so classy and stylish, like this ice cream colors with the rainbow and different patterns looking cute.